Hi, today we're at the Grand Venetian. We're checking out a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's just coming on the market. Let's go. In the living room of this beautiful condo just coming on the market, and I love that when I'm relaxing I can see panoramic views of the ocean, a beautiful wraparound patio, lots of natural light streaming through. This condo comes completely furnished and they've done a great job with a lot of teals and greens and blues complemented by warm browns. It's very comfortable, sort of an oceany tropical vibe. And I'm loving the modern feel inside here. Great inlet ceilings, lovely designer ceiling fans, a very liberal space. Nice cozy formal dining space, and this window actually has my favorite view. You can see Puerto Vallarta and the ocean and the city. It's absolutely gorgeous. You feel those greens coming in. The kitchen's there, so very much an open concept here, and I am liking it. Hey guys, we're in the kitchen and it's really great. Great place to entertain, great place to cook. Nice Mobby appliances, upgraded appliances, great view, fridge, microwave, lovely eco fridge here. Yeah, I like the kitchen. And here we are in the master bedroom, and wow, is it ever just feeling so good with the dark greens and that ocean vibe coming in. The bedroom you've got a nice tucked down king size bed, beautiful green colors, lots of natural light, a TV, and a beautiful ensuite. But this condo has 2 wraparound balconies. So wraparound balcony in the living room, and also you've got a beautiful wraparound balcony right here in your master suite. Hey, here we are in the 2nd bedroom, and I love that it has its own terrace. Beautiful view. You can see the Sierra Madre Mountains. King size bed, so very spacious, very ample 2nd size bedroom, and of course it has its own ensuite. I'm out here on this luxurious wraparound terrace, and you can see the pools, you can hear the water, really extends the space out. It's a nice sized terrace, barbecue. I'm very, very impressed with the value per square foot in this condominium is excellent, and who wouldn't want to live in the Grand Venetian?